Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Summer is here, and with that, mango season is here. We include both, of course, we eat the ripe mangoes and the raw mangoes. We make chutney, rasam, mango rice, pickle, so many different ways. So, today I'm going to show you how to make a mango murabba. It's a kind of a sweet pickle, you can call it. Here I have two raw mangoes. By weight, it is 500 grams. So, first wash it thoroughly, then wipe it very well with a clean cloth. Remove this top stalk portion of it. Next, we'll peel the raw mango. See, we have peeled the raw mangoes. Now we'll grate it. Use the larger size grater for it. I prefer to use this slicer because then it is faster and you get nice longer gratings also. We have grated both the mangoes. Now let's measure it out. Use any cup of your choice, whatever you have. So we have got 3 of this cup. This is the half cup measuring cup. So you can call it as 1.5 or whichever bowl you take. I have got 3 of this. So I will take equal quantity of jaggery powder. That is 3 measures of jaggery powder. Here I have measured out 3 measures, that is equal quantity as the grated mango of jaggery powder. First I am adding a pinch of turmeric powder or haldi to it. And also a small pinch of salt. Now switch on the stove, mix it well together. Let it always cook only on a low to medium flame. Mix everything well together. Now I am adding this jaggery powder to it. Keep the flame low and again mix the mangoes and jaggery powder. Don't add any water. See, the juice from the mango will lose out, the jaggery will also melt. You just wait till it forms like a syrup. Can you see? I have not added any water at all. So this is just the jaggery which has melted along with the juice from the mango. So over a low flame, wait till it starts boiling and the syrup thickens a little bit. I will show you the stage. After about 5 or 6 minutes, you will find it starts boiling all over. Just let it continue boiling and thicken a little more. We want a one string consistency. So let's just wait a little more. The syrup has started thickening. Now you can just check it between your thumb and finger like this. See, you can get a one string syrup. At this stage, switch it off. Remove it from the stove. Don't allow it to thicken more because then it will become hard. So this is the perfect stage. At this stage, I am just adding a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, one small piece of cinnamon and 2 cloves. I will coarsely crush them together. Add it to the murabba and give it all a good mix once again. This is half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder. and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder for added flavor. Now mix all the ingredients well together. See the consistency. Now when it cools down to room temperature, you can store it in a clean dry glass jar. Our tasty home style raw mango murabba is ready. It is sweet, tangy, a little bit spicy, flavor of ginger and cardamom. Really a burst of flavors. You can serve it with parathas, teplas. I like it with dosa or even with just a slice of bread which you have toasted. It goes well with that. If you just made a small quantity, allow it to cool well, you can store it at room temperature. But if you are making large quantities, I would recommend that you store it in the fridge and take out the quantity which you require from time to time so that it doesn't get spoiled also. Just be careful of the correct stage of sugar syrup because if it goes beyond the one thread stage, it will become hard and brittle. If you take it out too early, it will be watery. Just take care of that and your lovely, tasty raw mango murabba is ready. I told you you can have it paratas, bread, dosa, anything. In fact, I like it as a side dish for curd rice too. Try it out sometime. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting recipe video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.